activated.
Contact.
Contact.
Don't sound too bad to me.
Heck yeah.
What just happened there?
First start up from that poor crash on Shingle for the video.
And it didn't even miss a lick.
That's the first crank. The first.